In today's video, we're going to talk about gunman died after killing at least 3 persons. A suspected case of suicide. Inmates charged for assaulting another inmate. Stay tuned. I'm going to tell you what I go on.
Hey, my youth, me know where you watch.
Yes, me there again once more, my people. Big up, respect and manners to each and everyone. I hope that everyone are right. I have some things I want to talk to you about, but first things first, I want to talk to you about a video that I saw posted on social media. Now, the video that I'm talking about had been posted on social media, claiming that a person who you can see in the video said some words that can be considered as some form of threat, right in the presence of persons who allegedly are said to be students. Viewers and subscribers, I question that video. I wonder if the video is of a real situation or not. And I edit that video, viewers and subscribers, and I'm going to present a piece of the edited video to you so that you can hear some of the words that the person used in the video. Anyways, look, listen and observe for yourself.
Your life has scratch me murder you. You hear? You look for me good. Me kill man already and me kill man again. I'm not afraid to do it.
Now, my people, I'm not able to confirm if the video is of a real situation or if the video is just an act. I am not able to confirm if a certain amount of persons who I saw in the original video are actually students or not. I'm not able to confirm their age either, viewers and subscribers. But one thing for sure, the video is being talked about on social media. So that's why I edit the video and present just piece of the edited video to you, my viewers and subscribers. And based on the words that you heard in that piece of edited video, let me know what you think. Now, I got information that detectives or law enforcers within the country of Jamaica are probing what is believed to be a suspected case of suicide after a man who is said to be a retired deputy superintendent of police was found dead. Now, according to information that I got, viewers and subscribers, it is said that the person died at his home on Tuesday. And according to more information that I got, it is said that the person was at his home with family members when they heard a loud explosion coming from a bedroom or a room at the premises. It is said that police have been notified about the situation and police went to the location, viewers and subscribers, and at some point the person was found dead. Now, allegedly, let me say that again, allegedly, it is said that a door was locked and the door was kicked in order to reach where the person who died was at. It is said that a firearm was found, viewers and subscribers, and I also got the understanding that some assumptions and speculations have been made about the whole situation, viewers and subscribers. Anyways, I'm going to move on to another topic. You can let me know what you think. Now, I got information that early Tuesday, viewers and subscribers, a man shot and killed at least 3 persons at Yakima, Washington, United States of America, and that police had launched a manhunt for that man, viewers and subscribers. Now, I got information that that person who had been accused of shooting and killing at least 3 persons is dead. So I got information that authorities said that a man who had been accused of fatally shooting 3 people at a store and gas station in Yakima, Washington, United States of America is dead, viewers and subscribers. Authorities said that the person died from what is said to be a self-inflicted gunshot wound, viewers and subscribers, as he was being apprehended by police on Tuesday. So I got information that the incident was reported sometime after 12 a.m. early Tuesday, viewers and subscribers. According to at least one news article that I read, it is said that police said that the shooting was reported sometime at around 3:30 a.m. or after 3 a.m. Tuesday. And that the gunman went across the street to an AM/PM convenience store where he allegedly shot into a car and then stole it. I got the understanding that police said that police received a 911 call from a woman who said she had just lent her phone to the suspect and allegedly heard him making incriminating statements while talking to a person who is believed to be his mother, and that the suspect said some things or said some words that also include "I killed those people." It is said that police said that the woman then called 911 when she got her phone back and was able to tell police where the suspect was located. So it is said that responding officers quickly found the suspect, who was injured by an self-inflicted gunshot wound. And the police said no officers fired at the suspect. Now, my people, listen to this part now, viewers and subscribers, because this part raises concern when it comes down to guns and ammunition. So, may I say, my people, listen. A news article that I read said that a police said that the suspect had a large amount of ammunition and a weapon when he was found. So, my people, the situation at some point is considered as random shooting. May I tell you? On to our next topic. Now, before I move on to another topic, viewers and subscribers, I would like to encourage each and everyone who are new to my channel to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Now, I'm going to present a video to you, my viewers and subscribers, and I want you to listen carefully to certain things that a person said in this video. I want you to listen carefully what a person said about a police officer, viewers and subscribers. Look, listen, and observe for yourself.
Dear me come and me Pen Town people, this man just target me and give me a ticket. Every day. How you mean? Every day, man, see me, man, just target me, you know, for no reason, you know, me just drive out of the park, you know, the man I jump and say, yo, I'm gonna put on a seat. Like, brother, me never start the car good, brother. Me never start the car good. All over. God, how much things, sir? Yeah, give me an extra fee. Alright, my boss. I wait for the police to write up a ticket. Brother, someone target me every day, brother. I have to start hiding me up in town and I see this man, brother. Yeah, man, take a good look for them people.
Now, if the allegation that the person made in the video are accurate, then let me point out that whenever police write tickets, names goes on those tickets. You hear me say? Names goes on those tickets. So therefore, those same tickets can prove a point, right? Think. I'm going to move on to another topic. Now, I saw a post that had been made on a social media page or account for the Jamaica Constabulary Force viewers and subscribers. See? And the post contains a certain amount of words that I'm about to try and read to you, my viewers and subscribers. So listen carefully. So the post said, the Ocho Rios police in Senton have charged 5 inmates who were seen assaulting another inmate in a video. The men have been charged with assault occasioning grievous bodily harm and unlawful wounding following the incident occurred in the Ocho Rios police lockup on Thursday, January 19. Now, a part of the post contains words about those inmates' identities and where they're from and so forth. I'm going to skip that part, viewers and subscribers, but however, listen this part now. So, the post have words that says, reports are that between 8 p.m. and 9 p.m. an argument developed among the men when the inmate was assaulted. He was taken to the hospital where he was treated and placed back into the custody of the police. Now, viewers and subscribers, I saw more than one pieces of videos about a situation where it is said that inmates beat or tortured a person, viewers and subscribers. Now, at least one of those videos that I saw shows when a certain amount of persons hit a person repeatedly. And in at least one of those pieces of videos, I got the understanding that a certain amount of persons was holding plastics that was set on fire. And those hot plastics melt and dripped all over the body of the person. And the person also had been accused of being gay viewers and subscribers. See me? A certain type of derogatory word had been used. You see me I say, but I don't want to repeat. So I said the person had been accused of being gay. You understand the viewers and subscribers? So I say at least 2 pieces of videos about a situation like that. No, I am not able to confirm if the post that have been made on the social media page or account for the Jamaica Constabulary Force is actually about those pieces of videos that I saw, but I just make a note, so I see at least 2 pieces of videos about a situation where to say that inmates beat a person and the person had been accused of being gay viewers subscribers. You understand? So you be the judge, you tell me what you think, alright? Now I cannot present any of those videos to you, my viewers and subscribers. No, I cannot, I'm telling you, because those videos are really and truly gruesome. So right here's where I'm going to leave it. Big up, respect and manners to each and every one. Until next time. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.